So here is the Bladez Toys Star Wars R2D2 blow up remote control. He is fabulous. Let's take a look at the box. Oh, I'm setting him off. So he's 42 centimeters tall, or 16.5 inches, recommended 3 and above. And he is absolutely brilliant. There are other ones available, but they're not. Oh, here we go. There's BB-8, Kylo Ren, Stormtrooper, and I do believe the black BB-8 now. All right there. I do believe the black one of him, the evil BB-8, is available as well. And they also come in an even larger size than this.
Thanks! Star Wars, yes. Yes.
Okay, so let's see how it comes. You can tip it out on the sofa if it's easier. Whoa! Woo! So, that's the remote control.
And that's R2.
That's R2. It doesn't look like R2, does it?
No.
What do you think we're going to have to do?
Blow up it.
Blow him up, that's right. Let's turn him over. So R2's blown up. You need a little screwdriver to put the batteries in.
Oh.
So I've got one there, and number 2, and then 2 batteries on the other side. So R2 himself requires 4 batteries, and the handset requires 2. So for Christmas morning, make sure you have plenty of these. And then next we need to synchronize the units. So we turn R2 here on to sound, and then we take this and we press hold for 2 to 3 seconds. There we go. Right, so you take R2 and put him down. Here's the remote. Oh my gosh, so excited. Oh, he's spinning a bit, isn't he? Hi, R2. Whoa. Hey, R2. What do you think? How does R2D2 deal with enemies on carpet? Oh no, he's stuck! Can I ask you some questions about R2D2?
Yes.
Right, can you tell me what is the best thing about your R2D2?
It moves, and it's a balloon R2D2 where you blow it up like a balloon, and it's got lights and sounds.
I don't think it's got lights, but it's definitely got sound.
Yeah.
So tell me what's the best thing?
I like the one where it screams.
I like that sound too.
It screams like we're on Star Wars.
So tell me what you think is not the best thing about R2D2.
Basically, there's nothing bad about R2D2.
Oh, I'm glad you feel that way. Tell me how many stars you would give R2D2. Out of 5, how many stars would he get?
I would say about 1,000.
1,000?
Or 1 trillion or gazillion million.
That's a lot of numbers. So, is there anything else you'd like to say about your blow up R2D2?
I don't really know.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.